Hi all again. Just wanted to talk about toothache really. I had a friend of mine the other night in a bad way of toothache stuff and how to get rid of toothaches. Now for a start, don't look at this bottle of brandy, please, and that way anything get drunk. Don't do that. The only reason it's there, if you swish a bit around your mouth and spit it out, it can temporarily help the pain. You know, some form of high volume alcohol. Not for children at all. Do not use that on children. And if you've got alcoholic tendencies, anything like that, alcoholic tendencies, do not use it. It's just, I'm just saying, it will temporarily work. Just to give you a brief help. I mean, I was looking at, I'm going to go through this stuff in a minute because this stuff is brilliant. The tooth repair stuff. Sorry, we've got paracetamols as well. Obviously, take some for pain relief anyway. These are capsules, not what I want to talk about. These ones, but when you get the dissolvable tablets, you can actually rub them over the gum of or the hole of the tooth pain, and that will help take away some relief. Actually, get some paracetamol into the tooth. I'm no dentist here, by the way. I'm just letting you know from experiences what I've tried and what other people have tried. Okay, so seek professional advice and obviously seek your dentist straight away. However, it's getting rid of this pain. This is what we're getting at here. So here, just normal toothpaste. Okay, well, it's just a couple. I've got just a couple of different ones here, but the point I want to get at on this one is, oh, it's not on that bit, is it? Sorry, bear with me. Oh, is there? It is the sodium fluoride level. Okay, and then down here, okay, you see that 1450 BPM fluoride. Now, that is the part that helps with the pain relief. So if you dab some toothpaste actually on your tooth itself, okay, like on the area, that will take away temporary tooth pain. You are only talking seconds or minutes maybe, or sometimes longer. It might last a bit longer, it depends. So, but the higher this number, a lot of them, dentists, they give like 1,500 for toothpaste and stuff, and I think they go down to about 1,000. So this one's not a bad one actually. But yeah, look for this number on the sodium fluoride content at the 1450. Clove oil, obviously, as well. If you've got clove oil, that works. Not really worked for me, I must admit. Never really worked much for me, but for many people, clove oil works. The reason I brought this in is obviously for children. Because that's what you can do. That's just a way of giving children paracetamol and tooth pain, along with things like Bonjela. I mean, you can get adult Bonjela as well for adults. That can definitely give you temporary tooth relief pain. But this is also about if shops are shut, what's in your house, what you can use right now for tooth pain as well, and how to help. But obviously the only way to get rid of tooth pain completely is to see your dentist, as we know. But yeah, for children, obviously we know this can be very useful. Long term for me, because obviously with COVID and stuff and other things, with one of my pains I had, now this stuff has been absolutely brilliant. Okay, it's like a clay substance, and you roll it up in like a little ball as such, and the spreader's not here obviously because I've used one of them and the spreader's not with this packet. Basically you roll a bit up and you use the spreader and you put it on the hole or the cavity of the tooth, and it gives you a filling. I mean, for me, it lasted for about 4 months, this stuff. It says 24 hours. But most people I know have used this stuff. It's lasted for at least days or weeks or months. So then, but obviously, with using this, you have to clean your teeth thoroughly before. No difference. You'd be going to the dentist and putting it in. I mean, the taste gives you a bit of a dry mouth. It's a bit like clay stuff it tastes for a little bit. So you have to, just have some water and stuff or a cup of tea or whatever. Just for the first sort of, only for about half hour. But when that goes off, that really does work well. Any cavity, and so you use this stuff temporarily for pain relief, and then once you've done that, clean your tooth, get this stuff in you, and then the tooth pain won't come back. Within, if you do some of these remedies within an hour, okay, within an hour, this will work. It is really about filling the cavity and stuff, and trying to have the pain relief. The pain relief symptoms, but don't just drink alcohol. Don't drink alcohol just to numb the pain. It will not work that way. It's okay for a temporary relief to swish around your mouth, but spit the stuff out. Anyway, that's my little bit on tooth pain. Like I say, no, I'm no dentist. just trying to help people that are suffering. If this hits someone, it helps one day, then great. But you know, they're the main ones, really. You know, and that's what we have. Okay, blessings all. Take care.